Good evening dear friends. Today we are discuss about horticulture. Let's start. Seed rate of cauliflower is 350 से 600 ग्राम पर है. Browning in cauliflower is due to boron. Vanilla grows best at the height of 1 meter. Pink color of onion is due to quercetin. Acridity in colocasia is due to calcium oxalates. Seedless in banana is due to vegetative parthenocarpy, which is ripening hormone ethylene. Passion fruit is commercially propagated by seed. How much juice is required for making fruit jelly? 45%, which is seedless variety of mango Sindhu. Crossing over takes place in Pachitin. Citrus is a native of China. In hilly areas, fruit plants should be planted in contour system. Which country occupy in the first position in the production of orange? USA. Bale fruit belongs to the family Rutaceae. Which vegetables belongs to the family Leguminaceae? Fenugreek. The range of optimum night temperature for tomato fruit is 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Potato is good source of starch or carbohydrate. Bacteria is responsible for the production of vinegar. The yellow pigment of papaya is caricaxanthin. Sweet potato is autohexaploid. Most intensive type of vegetable gardening is truck gardening. Chrysanthemum is the national flower of Japan. Pulsing is related to cut flower. Annual flowers of Indian origin. Balsam. Annual flowers suited for planting in shade. Salvia. Endosperm is missing in the seed of carnation. The most serious disease of gladiolus is caused by fusarium. Crop showing maximum resistance to nematode. Marigold. Dendrobium is an important orchid. Important non-mineral essential element required for plant growth. Carbon. The nutrient having a major role in photosynthesis of plant. Potassium. The nutrient required for the formation of chlorophyll in plants. Iron. Ideal cool storage temperature of banana is 13 to 14 degrees Celsius. The pigment present in jamun is anthocyanin. The gas released during fruit ripening is ethylene C2H4. Which is the best time of planting for deciduous plant? September to October. Which trees required pruning regularly? Peach. Pruning in consists of thinning and dieback. Which hormones is most effective in introduction of rooting and cutting? IBA, indole butyric acid. Which varieties is dioecious in nature? Bear. Which varieties of mango is monoembryonic? Ratalu. The commercial seed production of which variety of cauliflower is not possible in plains? Pusa snowball first. Total vegetable production in India is second to China. Which potato variety is resistant to late blight? Kufri Vasa. Cinerea scolymus is grown for its edible root. Highest quantity of carotene is available from colocasia leaf. Jackfruit is anemophilous. Total food grain production in 2020 to 21 296.7 metric ton. Most commonly used training system in grapes. Boer. Maximum guava producing state Uttar Pradesh. Juice concentration fruit jelly 25%. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks.